9-month-old baby Joan Ali Paulo, born with a rare cardiac condition, came to BLK Max Hospital with his mother and got a new lease of life.
He gave birth to Jonelle on 12 September 2020, not knowing that he had a complication in his heart.
She had flown over especially to BLK Max Hospital for this baby. Knowing the condition, the birth defect, the severity of it, we had complete discussion internally.
As the patient age was 9 months, that falls the patient into the high risk category, because left ventricle, that is the systemic chamber that will keep the patient alive after the surgery, is borderline in size. When we evaluated the child and did the echo, we found that there are two great vessels in the heart. One is aorta and one is pulmonary artery, that is transposed, that are coming from different chambers as compared to the normal chambers.
In this situation, it is technically more demanding when you put the buttons on neo aorta. I talked to the mother about the difficulties in the case. Baby definitely needed surgery for correction.
So they counseled me as a mother that they could perform the surgery, but the outcome would be very, very, very tough. It is a very high risk operation for the baby. But then, since I had so much faith on them, I felt that they could do the surgery. Then I could only tell the doctors to go ahead with the surgery to perform the operation for the baby, and we had to wait for the outcome.
So our plan was to see on table the PA pressure, which we did, and when we found that PA pressures are not alarmingly high, we proceeded with high-risk arterial switch operation, as discussed already with mother, with ECMO support backup. And with our hard work, everyone's wishes, the baby continued to recover. We could separate the baby from heart-lung machine, and next day we could close the chest also.
Now, as you can all see, that my son has recovery, and we are almost going back home with the good healed, with the well-performed surgery from the very specialized doctors at BLK Max Hospital.
BLK Max Super Speciality Hospital is a 650-bedded super speciality hospital, and we specialize in all the critical and the complicated surgeries, and Dr. Ramji adds complete depth into those procedures, and with his expertise into the range of surgeries right from adult to pediatric, we are able to achieve the results, and we are able to take up complicated surgeries. It was a very complicated procedure. It was very challenging. The baby was put on ECMO as well, and because of the hard work and the expertise, we were able to wean him off from the ECMO, and the baby is healthy, the heart is doing fine, and we are able to discharge the patient. I would also like to add the contributions by Dr. Gaurav. Dr. Gaurav heads our pediatric cardiology division, and it is because of his contributions and expertise in the invasive and the non-invasive pediatric cardiology procedures, and with his teamwork with Dr. Ramji, that we were able to take up this case with such confidence, and we were able to deliver as per the expectations of our patients and the parents of the baby. And I'm very sure that in future also we would be able to take up such complicated cases and do justice to the clinical treatment. Thank you.